Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the Cartrimhome Center Control Multifunction Bracket, or in short, the dash mount kit for our accessories on the 4Runner. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so let's check what we have here. Alright, so this is the main base on it. So this is aluminum and it is very sturdy. So as you see here, the holes, this is where you're gonna screw or bolt on the head, the ball head that we have here. This will be screwing here. Okay, so this will be assembled on the dash. This is being marketed basically not to be used or not compatible with the T12V2 head unit. And as you all know, some of you know that I have the T12. We're gonna try to install this with the T12, and the time of recording, this is being priced is $145. You can purchase it cartrimhome.com. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchases. So this is one of the arm, okay, and that connects to the main base that needs to be bolted on. All right, so there's two of them. Okay, so as you see here, there's some holes, and that's where we're gonna screw this on basically. Okay, so we're gonna assemble this over here. Okay, we just need to screw this, and this will hook. Okay, this part will hook by the vents in the windshield by the front. Okay, so this will hook in there. Just align it, get the correct measurement or distance with this one. Okay, so then just bolt it on. This is a no drill solution on getting this accessory mount for our dash. Okay, so let me do that in a moment. So we have our arms in here. We got multiple arms. We got another ball with quarter millimeter or quarter thread. We got more arms. We got some plates in here. This is for the radio, I believe. Yep. And we got this is a strap for something. We got our cell phone mount. Nice. And got that adjustment in there, or when you remove it. We have, I saw GoPro mount. Yep, so GoPro mount. And again, some more arms and balls. So we got the accessories in here. So yeah, so again, let's assemble this. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the hooks on the main arm. All right, okay, so to simply assemble this, look on the bag. There are 4 short screw. Okay, so in the same bag there are a little longer one. So just for comparison, if you can see, so there's one long one short one. We're gonna use the short one in here to attach this to the main arm. Okay, we will use the provided Allen key on this, and just do the same on the other one. Okay, so for this, we're gonna try to install this with the T12 installed. Okay, so first we're gonna mock it. So make sure that you put on the base all the way to the driver's side. So this will be offset a little bit. And then the arm. There you go. So we're gonna screw this first. Don't screw it all the way, just thread it, just enough thread to grab the arm. Get this in there. Let's see if the other side, so that will be the questionable one, if it will grab the arm, or if we can screw it. If we can screw it, then perfect. We can use it on the T12, but okay, you'll be limited on what you can use because of the screen. It's gonna be blocking or whatever. So I'm gonna be putting my cell phone, a GoPro, probably the radio, yeah, this radio mic. If I can put this in there, we'll see. Okay, let's work on the other side. I think that's it. Okay, now we need to screw it. Okay, so I'm trying to improvise in here. There's a bag of screws and nuts on the bag. They're longer. So I'll be using them on the passenger side arm. So what I did is I put the screw first, okay? And then once the screw is passed through the main base, you put the screw. So you'll be using the nut as a spacer so that we can pull the arm towards the base. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be screwing it or tightening it. Let's see if this will work. I think we're golden there. Just need to put the other one and then tighten them. All right, so I was able to fit it on the T12. All right, so with this one, as you can see here, I use the longer nuts and bolts and use 2 or total of 4 nuts as a spacer. Okay, and yeah, I was able to secure it so it's not moving. It is very sturdy. Yeah, so this is nice. So again guys, it's just about thinking outside the box. At first I was like thinking of trimming this the plastic panel of the T12, but no, we don't really need to. So it is in there, so we can put the balls and arms for our accessories so that we can see how it looks like. Again, you'll be limited on what accessories you can use because of the screen. Okay, so be mindful of that. But again, yeah, this one works on the T12. If you just gonna think outside of the box, you can make it work. All right. All right. So we're just gonna put on the ball head in here with the included Allen key. Okay. Good. So I'll put my cell phone in here, probably my GoPro in this. Not sure what I'm gonna put on the third one. There you go. Fourth one. So just tighten those properly. There you go. So now we're gonna put my cell phone in here. Use the arm. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use my older arm, the RAM mount, or we're gonna use the one that's included because it might touch this. So we'll see. Okay. All right. So this will be the car mount. So put the ball head at the back. Okay. Just make sure you secure it. Good. And next, this will be the arm. This one is the one from Cartrimhome. So let's use this for now. We'll see if it will be affected. So we're just gonna secure this in here. I think that's good enough. Basically, just enough space to angle it. So let me show you. So yeah, so let me tighten it. Very sturdy. Better than my RAM mount that was stick in the back of my T12. Let's test it. Nice. Nice one. So yeah, so very sturdy, almost no movement unlike the other one that I've been using. The other one works, it vibrates, but I'm okay with it. But with this one, it's really solid. Yeah, so it is nice. Yep. So next, basically a GoPro mount. You can put it in there. I don't have my GoPro with me right now. Let me get it. Hold on. Okay, so we got our GoPro in here. So you can secure this one basically facing our way if we're making a video, or facing forward if we're on the trail. Okay, well, you can definitely do that. So just secure it, and yeah. So on this one, it's awesome that we have this. Now I have my radio in here. It's conveniently placed near me. So if we're gonna use the accessory included on the Cartrimhome, we can actually put this in here on a plate. But if you have a radio, again, since we have the T12 V2, we are very limited with the space in here. So you can put some other cameras if you want to, Insta360 cameras, or GPS, an extra GPS monitor in here. So that will be awesome. So yeah, so again guys, it works on the T12 V2 with limited accessory options. Okay, so we'll check the rest of the included accessory mount. Uh, what else we can do on them, all right? All right, so for this one, you'll need to use the smaller bolt and just tighten it on the Cartrimhome plate. This plate is used basically for some monitors or what. You have to get the screw if you have the T12, because we've used 2 screws and you only have like 2 left. All right. So for that, you just need to put it on in here, and basically that's it. So there you go guys. So everything is set up. So I made it work on my T12 V2. So there's your accessory mount. Okay. So again, the way I did it is I use 4 bolts and 2 longer screws that are on the kit. Those screws and bolts are supposed to be used in here if you're gonna be mounting something. So those are used here. So if you're gonna mount something now, you have to provide some nut and bolts. All right. So yeah, so I use those nuts as a spacer in here, so that, and the screw, the longer screws, to grab the arm. All right. So it works. My T12 V2 is still in there, so not moving at all. So everything is fine. Yeah, so I like this, especially the cell phone mount on this one. It is very sturdy compared to my RAM mount that I've been using. This one. I've been using this, and I have a GoPro base, basically double-sided tape at the back of my T12. All right, yeah. So other than this, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can save 7% if you use the discount code FG7P. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.